Welcome to episode 1 of Build It Kids. In this series of episodes, we will be learning how to build things like boats, electric cars, fidget toys, all that fun stuff. So the reason I created this series is because I want to help you kids out there who are extremely bored like me. So let's get started. So today we'll be building an electric boat like this. So the materials that you'll be needing for an electric boat like this would be styrofoam. Where's my ruler? Oh, here it is. About 7 centimeters thick, and it doesn't really matter the length, just has to be more than 10 centimeters. So for this boat, you will also need a switch. It doesn't have to be a snap circuit one. It can be any switch. If you don't have a switch, then just search up how to make a working electric switch. You'll need a motor, which is in there. Doesn't matter, 6 volt, 3 volt, doesn't matter. Wires, a battery pack and batteries. This flag is optional. 2 credit cards. Don't use your actual credit cards. That is not a good idea. Use old ones or expired ones. Some sort of propeller. Like you can make one of these with just like cardboard. Some sort of metal connector and duct tape. Also a Swiss Army knife or those hobby knives. How to make it? You'll need, how to make it. Step 1. Take your piece of styrofoam and cut it into an aerodynamic shape. Like this, and make sure it has this. To make it smooth like this, have an adult put it over the stove. Put the sides over the stove. It'll make it smooth. After you've made the hull, cut out a bit in here for the battery pack. It doesn't have to be a gigantic battery pack. Depends on what battery pack you have. So just cut out a hole that big for your battery pack. Then cut out a space for your switch. Cut out a space for your motor. So how I made it is that if I take this thing out, there's a bunch of styrofoam blocks pushing it down. And see the motor. So you just grab a motor, stick it in there. Cut this out. Warning, do not do this by yourself. Do it with an adult. So cut this out, put your motor in. And then as you can see, you come with this tiny little metal thing. That's not enough. You need, this another connector. This was from a leftover of a rivet. If you don't have that, you could probably use a paper clip. And this is the inside of a pen. Unscrew the pen, and then take the gel thing inside and cut it into a small piece. Make sure the pen is out of glue. The pen is out of gel or ink. So then you push it in like that, and it's connected. So then you put it back in, grab your block of styrofoam, and push it back in. So now onto the rudder. The rudder is made for 2 credit cards and wire. For the wire, if you don't have wire, you can use paper clip. But these, you just grab a credit card cut it into like a shape of like this flag, kind of like a flag, and like a slanted here. So yeah, and then for the bottom, you just cut it like a quarter circle kind of. And then you tape both together, and it gives you this. And then you take your wire, grab a knife. Don't do this. Stab it through, make it big enough for the wire to come through. Thread it through, and then like bend it around itself. So now you have your rudder. So you just stab it there. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty much how you make it. Very simple, very concise. Battery pack. If you don't have a two. Oh yeah. The reason why I used only 2 batteries was because my motor was a 3 volt, and each of these is 1.5. So I can't put the third one, otherwise I'll blow my motor. So always check how much volts your motor can handle. So if you have one of these 3 battery packs, just put a paper clip through it. It has to be metal though, otherwise it won't work. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Please leave a like, subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time.